Hello and welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you like, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So today we're going to do a full detail and protection on this BMW X5 Jeep in black. So as you can see, it's not very dirty, it's just dusty from that little bit of rain that we had, but we're going to soon change that. We'll have this shining like a new penny. So as always, I like to start with the wheels. Firstly, I applied Autobrite Citrus Pre-Wash, the mix of 10:1 to the tyre and the arches. Then I applied Autobrite's Very Cherry non-acidic wheel cleaner to the face of the alloy. As you can see, I'm cleaning the tyre with this brush from Inter Detailing. Before moving on to a EZ wheel cleaning brush, getting right into the barrels, and you can really watch all the dirt come straight out. It's a very good brush. They also do a slimmer one, which I have now ordered. Now I'm just going over with my Vican brush, just doing the tyre again and the face of the wheel. But yeah, always start with the wheels, because normally they are the dirtiest on the car, and you don't want the dirt splashing back to the body after you've washed the body. I did wash the arches. I used the same EZ wheel cleaning brush to get up inside. So we're just going to give it a quick rinse with a Karcher K2 and make sure we get in the barrels. As you can see, the wheels come up very well. Very pleased. So as you can see, I'm just spraying a bit of Autobrite Citrus Pre-Wash to the body of the car, just to help in aid get rid of all the dirt and debris that's embedded into this paintwork just before we apply our snow foam. So as you can see, now it's time to apply a nice thick layer of Autobrite's Parma Violet Super Foam. Smells absolutely gorgeous, this stuff. Great cleaning power. As you might have guessed by watching some of my videos, I am a bit of a Autobrite geek. I absolutely love their range. I don't think they do a bad product. I'm not sponsored by Autobrite, I must say that. I just do like their products. If they want to send me some stuff, I wouldn't say no. Brilliant. I can't wait for the Easter sale. I only wish you could smell this snow foam. If you like Parma Violet sweets when you was a kid, you will love the smell of this. It's absolutely gorgeous. And here we have a nice close-up shot of Autobrite snow foam doing its magic. And don't forget, then, while the snow foam is left to dwell for around about 5 to 10 minutes, we get our little detailing brushes. We get into all the nooks and crannies, into the badges, into the door shuts, into the door sills, anywhere that you think you're going to have trouble getting in with your wash mitt. So now the snow foam has finished dwelling and doing its thing, we come for the first rinse off. As you can see, I go from bottom to top. Others go from top to bottom, side to side, up, down, left, right. It's totally your preference. As long as you get all the soap suds or chemical off your car, just rinse it how you want to rinse it. That's what I say. And while I am rinsing, look at the paint. Look how the water sticks to the paint. There's hardly no protection on this car. So, Shiny Garage Detox, as I said, it is a fallout remover. It's designed to take all the iron contaminants out of the paintwork just before clay barring. So this does smell really, really bad, but it is a great product. Surprise, surprise, another Autobrite Direct product. This time, Purple Velvet Shampoo. Really sudsy, a little goes a long way, super slick, probably one of my favourite shampoos. So there's a better view of the water behaviour on this car. As you can see, it just coats the car. So that means we're ready now to build up the protection back to this car. So just before we start machine polishing, we need to dry the vehicle. As I've said many times before, this Korean drying towel from Because Race Car is absolutely brilliant. So now we have the vehicle dry, we can go through and see what the condition of the paint is. It's really hard to tell in the shade, but as you comes into the light, you can see the swirls and the scratches. There's even dull marks in the paint, as you can see just below the door handle. And this rear quarter was really bad. So bad I had to wet sand it and buff it back up. So, Autobrite Enrich. This is a medium cut compound. As you can see, I'm applying 4 pea-sized dots to an orange pad, also Autobrite. As you can see, I'm trying to go for a little bit of a 50-50 here with the tape. In a minute you will see it, but it's very slight because of the lighting and the conditions. So now I've just buffing off the excess. You can see, as I move the camera back and forth, you can see the right side is slightly darker than the left side where it's been enhanced. What really bugged the owner about this car was these door trims and the trims going across the bottom of the sills. So as you can see, another 50-50 is going on here with these door sills. And this time you will see a massive difference between the top and the bottom. So I'm just buffing off the excess now. And as you can see, a night and day difference between that old to shiny and new. So here you can see me once again using Autobrite Enrich with a bigger Autobrite pad on my Autobrite DA21. I'm just doing the bottom section of the rear passenger door. I'm not going to show all this car being polished, guys. It did get polished, but I just think too much polishing will get boring. And as you can see, as I wipe off the excess, the shine is slowly starting to come back to this car. And it's starting to look really, really nice. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you think. So as you can see, I'm wet sanding this rear quarter. I don't know what was going on here, but we had some serious problems with this paint. The owner, who's probably going to watch this video, is probably going to kill me knowing I've done this to his pride and joy. But as you can see from the results, I've brought it back to life and restored the shine. So here we go, just after being wet sanded and going across through the same Autobrite solution and pad on my machine, just trying to bring the shine back into this rear quarter. Now look at that shine. You gotta admit, it's come out pretty well, haven't it? Fair play. All faith has been restored, Phil, if you're watching this. By the way, that's the customer. Now it's time for Autobrite Cherry Glaze. This polish has a fill-in property. So it's designed to hide certain swirls and fine scratches. This polish buffs off super easy. And as you can see, the shine on this bonnet is outstanding. So we're going to apply some protection. As you can see, Fusso coat by Soft 99. And for all you eagle-eyed viewers, you will notice I'm using the light version of this wax. It does come in a black version for darker paints, but I think wax is wax. As it comes with a little yellow applicator pad. Get it damp, not soaking wet, just damp. Little goes a long way. Don't pile this wax onto your paint, because it will be an absolute nightmare to buff off. But if you apply it right, it buffs off super easy after leaving on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it flashes, do the swipe test with your finger and then buff off. And guys, I know I've said it once or twice in this video, but that shine, wow. So another Soft 99 product. If you'd seen my last week's video, you would know I'd done a full video on this. If not, go back and watch it, because this stuff is very, very good. This is the compound designed to clean any imperfections and get any watermarks off the glass. Easy to get off, just jet washes. So I'm not going to show too much footage of this. I've done it in my last video, but this is just a glass sealant. If applied right, it does say 12 months coating. We shall find out. So we have yet another Glaco Soft 99 product. This time this is glass cleaner. Really easy on, easy off. Great cleaner this. This has hydrophobic properties in it as well. Not to the same extent as the sealant in the last section, but really pleased with how this product performs. Wow, car chem? Have I gone mad? No Autobrite, no Soft 99. No, this is a good tyre gel in all fair play. It smells absolutely beautiful. It smells like Coca-Cola cubes. Apply it with a brush because these are quite big tyres. And as you see, I take off the excess with a dry microfiber. Because nothing says, look at me, I've just had a mini valet, like greasy tyre shine. So, after a lot of blood, sweat, and not so many tears, here's the end result. As you can see, a rear quarter come up. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the shine. Look at the reflection. You can even see my ugly mug. You've got to be happy with this. I know the owner couldn't believe how well it come up. The wheels look great. The reflect. Look how deep and glossy the paint looks, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget, smash the like button. Share this video and drop me a sub, because I would like to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you could help me out, I would be very, very grateful. So after showing the owner around, I think he was well happy and he couldn't wait to take it home to show everybody. So guys, massive thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.